Good morning sa inyong lahat. Andito tayo ngayon sa Silang Cavite para sa Shimano Cycling Festival Road Fondo. So kasama natin sa ride na to si Brother Mel at si Sir Manol. Samahan nyo kami.
20 seconds left.
Oo nga. Dapat may ganun din.
Nakalista ako sa larga, hindi ko alam.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
The Shimano Cycling Festival Road Fondo marks the third and final leg of the annual Shimano Cycling Festival, following the adrenaline-packed MTB/XC and gravel race events. Unlike its predecessors, the Road Fondo is not a competitive race. It's a celebration of cycling camaraderie and endurance. Participants will traverse approximately 76 kilometers with a generous cut-off time of 8 hours. Allowing riders to pace themselves and enjoy the journey. The event is open to all skill levels, from enthusiastic beginners to seasoned intermediate riders. However, organizers strongly encourage all participants to undergo adequate preparation and training to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. All bicycle types are welcome, except for fixed gear bikes. In line with the safety regulations, only bikes equipped with fully functional front and rear brakes are permitted. Whether you're riding for the thrill, the scenery, or the shared spirit of cycling community, the Road Fondo offers a unique opportunity to be part of the Shimano's grand finale. Ang total distance nitong Road Fondo ay around 76 kilometers and meron siyang cut-off time na 8 hours. And ang finish nito ay dun din sa Hacienda Outlet kung saan tayo nag-start. Di ko alam ikaw taga Cavite.
11 kilometers. No, stop. 11 kilometers na uphill. Tapos luto ulit, no?
Mukhang magkakaroon tayo ng bagong ruta dito sa Cavite. Mas maski si Brother Mel na taga dito sa Cavite, hindi niya alam to.
Hello!
Hello. So ito ay parte pa rin ng Amadeo. Hindi mo alam to, brother. Ang bihira ka. O baka tayo ay niloloko lang nito ni Brother Mel. Ang gradient nito ay nasa 3% lang, pero ang haba niya tumigil muna tayo dito sa isa sa mga feed zone. May libreng biko at saka tubig. Ito yung dalawa kong malakas na kasama. Mga insiyado lalo na to. May dalawang checkpoints nga pala tayong dapat natigilan. Yung isa dyan sa may bagong gawang cycling velodrome, tapos yung isa mamaya pabalik. So kailangan natin tumigil doon para kumuha ng selfie photo. Sabi ni Mel, malapit na raw. Malapit na naming matikman ang pansamantalang kaginhawaan. Ang galing ng nag-organize itong Road Fondo. Lahat ng kanto or intersection may mga marshals. So ito, approaching na tayo sa first checkpoint. Kailangan nating mag-selfie dito. Doon sa ano? Sa may tent daw. Oh, yan, sa may tent na puti ang selfie. First checkpoint. Approaching na tayo sa Tagaytay. Ayan yung Tagaytay Sky Ranch sa ating unahan. Medyo relax na dito ng konti. Nakasurvive tayo doon sa 11 kilometers na ahon. Malupit din dahil dire-diretso, wala recovery. So pagdating dito, recovery na tayo. Mamaya na ulit tayo ahon. Yung mga malalakas na siklista nagsipagtira na kanina sa ahon. So kaming mga mahihinang nilalang ang kumalas. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, mangilan-ilan na lang kami pumapadyak dito. Buti na lang at malamig dito sa Tagaytay. At least kaninang umaahon tayo, hindi tayo gaanong nalaspag. Andito na tayo ngayon sa Alfonso, Cavite. Dito medyo recovery tayo kasi mostly palusong. Kanina meron lang doon na portion na biglang umahon. Pero ito lusong ulit.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Andito na tayo sa Barangay Conchu. So muli tayong umaahon. Hinahanap naman natin ngayon yung next na checkpoint. So yun yung checkpoint 2. Kailangan ulit nating mag selfie. Tumigil muna kami dun sa isang mamihan. Kumain muna kami. Wala na akong maisipa eh. Grabe, laspag na. Pero tayo ay nakaka 65 kilometers na. So last 11 kilometers na lang. Ito na yata yung checkpoint number 2. So again, kailangan nating mag selfie dito sa checkpoint number 2. Checkpoint.
Water, yellow.
Yeah, thank you. So ito yung checkpoint number 2. Dito siya sa Classic Filipino Restaurant. Andito pa rin tayo sa Barangay Conchu at patuloy pa rin tayong umaahon. Ito, akala nyo patag, pero siya pala'y ahon, falls flat. Kaya si Brother Mel sa likod. Brother, siyempre yung malakas namin kasama nasa unahan, si Sir Manol. Ayun no, malamang hindi nakita dahil sa sobrang layo na niya. Ang maganda doon sa ginawang ruta ng Shimano Cycling Festival, hindi masyadong dumaan sa mga main highway, kagaya dito sa Barangay Conchu. Ito, kung makikita nyo, wala masyadong sasakyan. Dito rin tayo dumaan kanina, yung first part ng race. So ito pa rin ang dadaanan natin pabalik. Ang labas ito ay Aguinaldo Highway. Pagdating sa Aguinaldo Highway, kakanan na tayo papuntang Hacienda. Konti na lang. Pagdating dyan sa kanto, kakanan na tayo. Aguinaldo Highway na yan, pabalik na ng Hacienda. Last 700 meters, konting taste na lang. Last 90 meters. Diyan ba? Sa kabila? Di ba sa kabila? Ayan, sige, dito na. Okay, tara. Finally, andito na tayo.
Yun o.
Yes! Loot bag, loot bag. O, tara, tara. Sabay tayong tatlo. Tara. Ha? Tara. Wala nga, tara.
Congratulations. Congratulations guys, dami ko.
Yes, sir,
Yeah, congrats. Congrats, congrats.
Congratulations, congrats.
Baka huwag mo na yung kaluluwa mo, pabalikin mo ang...
So after 6 hours and 51 minutes tayo ay naka 82.72 kilometers. At dahil dyan, dito ko na po tinatapos ang vlog na ito kasama si Sir Manol at si Brother Mel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi. Abangan nyo po ang aming next adventure. Bye bye.